Hello guys, you can see the links and trick and the tanks. This is like the tanks are trying to tanks for like clear the train and yeah, that tank there's like the tank. So I think that to solve it's also have a truck tank trying the tanks. Yeah, that things and well, I can see if you can actually that had creep as well, because I think it depends like had creep or then a track creep. But I ain't seen that that so that I think it's anything game. It's a driving fight and correct guys. And today, I put that tag with the drinks. Also did the drinks train. Not that drinks are right. I was like, it doesn't have that thing. I think that's a drinks train. I know that guys. The drink search with that. I did explain Frexit train. Yeah, I think get that thing. I the drink surgery. And then that we got and then got thanks. The thanks. And then alright. I should get that. Okay, because I don't think they like. Wow, I got things great to train. But I had things I train. The thing. So I got the great things. So as soon as I got a footprint, okay, that great. So this is like the tape thing. So I got that thing. I got the links. So you see the track tape. So it's like the headphones. So then, keep that side. I'm going to get the tagline, the library. I'm going to get from into the hat. Then God get and this is like black straight the tagline. Okay, I got the things that the lights. I didn't get something else. Oh, second door at that things. So they get that things already the next door. The website, so let's say I think that's okay. I think that's that. But I think that's okay. So it's like the so I was like, I think that correct today. So I think that today. So I think that is today. I think that as a trigger, but thanks. So there's a whole ring. I think that okay. So the click set. I'll put that thing to trigger. That thanks. Okay, so take the tape. Just take tape. Sometimes I like having certain things. I have to get the same haircut. It doesn't stink. That's good. I can see if I can get thing. But there you go. So I think that the track, alright, that thing. I got the link. So we got like, here's that candle. And I think things like the headphones, so I was like that they doesn't fit like I think they're great. Actually, I think it's that great. And I think so, yeah, and there you go. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. I think thanks. I forgot to. Okay. So those do this thing. Those are going to get their design for life. So great. And then it thanks to Link 6 headphones accent. I was like that. God, this is a kind of text like tape. I did just things. Get hat. Alright. So, that drinks. I think we have to grab that hat. So, thanks. So, I really like tricks like as a cat thing. I think the tag as a thing for okay, that and highlights. So, yeah, really I think that's etc. if you can, because that's the thing you're doing. So thanks, I got that tricks out set and thanks. Okay, and then I think I don't fit anything. I think it's too high. Okay. Oh guys, there's that track on. Okay, and it's really good dairy and like so I they because I'm like kind of screen ones like think upside down and not like upright. I was like shoot, but getting started like kind of they hit that some thing and hit the bell, and see you next time. Okay.